Philippine Navy's BRP Miguel Malvar showcased its operational readiness by placing in the top 3 during the Naval Surface Fire Support exercises at the RIMPAC 2026. Meanwhile, the Association of Generals and Flag Officers, or AGPO, is echoing the stance of the Department of National Defense on the West Philippine Sea. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
Retired generals who are members of the Association of Generals and Flag Officers, or AGFO, have expressed support for the Department of National Defense's position on the West Philippine Sea issue. This comes after Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. said that a public official should consider resigning if he or she is unable to uphold the laws that reinforce the Philippines' position in the West Philippine Sea, including Administrative Order Number 29 signed by former President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III in 2012. AGFO echoed this position, stressing that public office is a sacred public trust and that every government official must remain loyal to the flag and the republic, including faithfully carrying out the laws of the land. AGFO also emphasized that a unified national stance on the West Philippine Sea recognizes the sacrifices of active duty personnel in defending the country, as well as Filipino fishermen who lawfully earn a living within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone in accordance with the country's sovereign rights. Meanwhile, the Philippine Navy's BRP Miguel Malvar placed in the top 3 during the Naval Surface Fire Support Rodeo, or live fire exercise of the Rim of the Pacific, or RIMPAC exercise 2026 in Hawaii. The BRP Miguel Malvar used its Otomelara 76mm Super Rapid Multi-Feeding Main Gun to engage simulated targets. The accuracy and overall performance of the participating warships were measured by the Pacific Missile Range System using a computerized target evaluation system. During the month-long RIMPAC exercises, which concluded in July, the BRP Miguel Malvar also participated in other advanced training activities, including complex maritime operations, anti-submarine warfare, and multi-domain warfare exercises.
These accomplishments reflect the Philippine Navy's growing operational readiness, competence, and ability to perform effectively in demanding multinational environments.
The Philippine Navy also explained the importance of participating in various exercises alongside its allies and partner nations.
Through its successful participation in Rim of the Pacific exercise, or RIMPAC 2026, the Philippine Navy reaffirmed its commitment to developing a modern, multi-domain, and self-reliant naval force while strengthening its role as a reliable regional partner contributing to peace, stability, and the rules-based order in the region.
Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.